Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Here is an interesting personality. He's a teacher of English language. He has been working in JP High School, Kanchili of Kanchil Mandal of Srikakulam district. Now he is with us, and now he's going to share his experience regarding communication skills. Most of the people they would like to enhance, develop their communication skills and spoken language abilities, and he has a lot of experience. He's also a YouTuber like me, and now he's going to share how one can develop communication skills and confidence level, or how one can speak effectively, efficiently, effortlessly English language, all the things, and he's going to share. So welcome back to my channel, sir. Trinadha Rao, sir. Yes, welcome.
Thank you, sir, for calling me to arrange a meeting on Skype. So, communication skills. Today, English language mostly demanded by all the people, crazy people. Most of the 350 million people are speaking in English. Okay, it is ruling now. So, communication mainly, there are many kinds of communications. It is writing, speaking, and another way you can communicate anything. What your idea can be expressed through some verbals or written form. Or the military, they use them different signals in and their communication. So communication rules the world today. So because of one engineering graduate who completed after he facing interviews, he some rural guys facing some difficulty in communicate their thoughts, though they got 95% marks in respected subjects, but lack of communication skills. So, how to develop communication skills? There are many ways to develop. Mainly listening. First thing is listening. Listen the radio. Listen TVs. Listen news channels, BBC news and DD news. Some what he have one can have, he will follow that first priority giving to the listening, and another thing is reading. So by we can develop our communication skills by reading stories, simple small stories, stories, and some other else stories, adventure stories, comic stories can be the interest of the uh, reader. Okay, in that way we develop our communication skills. And writing, the small words should write by the learner. So writing also must given most of the priority for writing also, because writing can help. Mainly child um, can easily write and read, but he is able to unable to apply verbal.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
is unable to speak English. So thus first he has to read and he has to write, and he has to speak few words, like small words: come, go, what is things, how are you. This first habituate their communication skills. So and then a learner um, should should have mind map what
Yes,
he
yes.
is going to speak. So every day at least 5 minutes or 2 minutes will talk in English. 30 days he can improve many ways, many words, and many sentences he can spell out. Understand? So
Yeah.
thus we can develop our communication skills.
Sir,
Okay,
one
now?
more question, sir. And most of the graduates, they can read well, they can write well, they can do everything in writing in the written form. When it is come to the communication skills, though they know the English language, they can't speak it out. What is the reason? How they can overcome this hurdle?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mainly they know the sentences, but they feel some, maybe I am wrong, they have some cynic thought. Cynic thought means uh, he is unable to what other people think about my speaking. If I speak in English,
Oh, fear
other
of failure. Yeah. Fear of
some
failure.
fear,
Yeah.
some fear also there. In that case, he is unable to speak out, and he is unable to communicate his thoughts. So that's the main fear is the main hurdle to speak out the speak out spoke for spoken English. Fear, a guy, a person should avoid fearness first, and he should develop self confidence. So
Yes.
self is main. If not, he doesn't have a self confidence, he cannot speak English properly. So, but either wrong or right, first he should avoid that thought, and then he tries to speak English though he is wrong. Doesn't matter, he must go and he must speak. And one see a child cannot stand and walk by birth.
Then and there. Yeah.
Yes, by birth he can't. Likewise, our language, it is not the English is not the other tongue. So we external forces, we have to learn them.
Yeah.
If it is mother tongue, we should have some innate ability, and people language influenced by the circumstances. So
Yeah.
our mother speak Telugu, our father speak Telugu, everybody speak Telugu, but there is no word sound of English in home, at house, at a society.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even though school also, only English teacher can speak in English. Other teachers will not speak. That is also problem to our children. Our students are speaking in English.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Mm.
we should create some English atmosphere to develop communication skills in English. So the the guy should listen many times word, sentence, and then automatically many times one word listen, automatically it is recorded in our brain, and there is a possibility to use that word again and again. Okay, sir. So we
Yeah.
should create atmospheres, this communication atmosphere in the classroom or somewhere else, and
Yeah.
things directly and orally can't. But if you show one thing and you ask one question, he can speak about some words. If you show one picture, what is this? He can say, he is a man. This is, and then another thing. You ask a child, bring your family photo. You say who are there in the family. There is a possibility speak out some words. He is my father. He is my sister. He is my. This is my grandfather. He can speak like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Self-introduction. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah, in that way he can a picture reading is very best method to develop communication skills,
Okay,
because
sir. Sir, picture reading is best method. You told that. He also
yes,
suggested that to make an English environment or English atmosphere so that one
yeah.
can develop, one can enhance, one can expertise, one can excel their communication skills. So,
What more things child can pay some interest on,
yeah,
not
yeah,
only adult also, even the degree students also. So yesterday my student once is there from Jinkapadra. Those days he was a very slow learner, but yesterday he met me and he spoke. He is able to speak in English.
yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, how can he develop? How could he develop his spoken skills? Oh, he joined in one Vizag, one college, what degree college, somewhere. The teacher demands you have to
yeah,
speak. So he is. I'm very happy listening of his words. So you can easily, you call me and spoke with me. You can speak with me, and I advise him. See
yeah,
this.
yeah.
Uh, so Circumstances should be provided by the teacher or some society or the community. Then only, uh, then only a child can speak either any language. Even the Hindi also, we are unable to. I am unable to speak Hindi. But if the
Yeah.
circumstances created that, I will. I maybe speak Hindi also. The
Yes,
circumstance
sir.
demands. Yeah. So necessity is the mother of invention.
Need.
Necessity is
Yeah.
the mother of invention. You need, we can develop. We need, we can develop. Thus we can develop. Okay? Necessity main. Demands main. Society
Yes, yes.
demands main. Automatically we pay some interest and we work on and we develop our skill. So we need hard work to get success and anything, any
Can be
way,
possible. Yeah.
some practice. So by developing vocabulary first, mainly verbs should be nouns, adjectives, adverbs, whatnot, synonyms, antonyms,
Yeah. All
phonology.
are very important. Yeah.
Yes, vocabulary is most important to convey our thoughts. And somebody is we got some experience in our classroom. He wanted to speak out something, but he made mistake. Of course, we accepted and we correct them. And those who are able to speak, tax them their boldness,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and we applaud them. We should applaud their activity. In this,
Yes. Yes.
in that way, we can develop communication skills among the students and learners.
Yeah. Even though our students are making mistakes, we should not just correct then and there, and they feel hesitation, and they have some trembling and fumbling and trembling, and they can't make it out. So that's it. Instead of correcting them, we have to encourage, even though they commit some mistakes, because as you told that.
Usually, we don't bothering about mistakes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Speak something, mistake is accepted, no
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
Fine day, he can say child can cannot stand itself in 1 month.
Overnight. Yeah. Yeah. It will take long
1 month.
time. Yeah.
6 months, after 6 months, he grovel and then he tries to stand. He falls on the ground and again he stands. So many times happen like this. So
Yes.
in the language also the same way. We have to improve, and child can speak in English, and so mainly we have to correlate with the mother tongue and English. In
Yes.
that
Yes. Yes.
correlate, the one we paramity, what is your name? Immediately we can say. So
Yeah.
number of times child will be uh, given scope to listen. Number of times.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it's to be.
So whatever it may
So
be, it should be in a practical way. Yeah, language should be developed by practical way, by practice in daily basis. Yeah, there is no
yes,
shortcut for that. Yeah,
yes, practice makes man perfect.
perfect.
Okay,
A
without
proper practice is makes man perfect. Proper practice should be there. Yeah, yeah.
without practice, we can't do anything.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Trinazo, sir, for coming to my live session and giving a wonderful suggestions from you and spending time making everything recording communicate skills. Thank you very much. Good luck, sir. See you later. Bye, bye.
Okay, thank
Namaste.
you. Meet
Namaste.
again. Bye.